It's Saturday today, and you would have seen the clips from last night when we went ice skating. I didn't introduce the video, I just started filming the clips and then I wanted to insert them at the beginning of this video because it's our weekend vlog. But Sunny was really brave and... Hi! Sunny was really brave and he stood up on the ice, which I didn't think he was going to do, but he did. But we're currently just having a picnic of pasta and chicken dippers and sweet corn. Hi! Because Darren's downstairs decorating, so we're sort of bunched upstairs. And then we're gonna go to soft play and the Christmas fair and watch the Christmas lights switch on.
We're going to and we're excited.
And you're excited just to get out of Darren's way. So I need to do my hair, get Sunny dressed, Sadie's ready, get the bag ready, and then we're off. So, see what clips I can film while I'm out. It's going to be a bit difficult because it'll be very busy and I've got two kids to control. Off to soft play! Oh, he hasn't fallen asleep, has he? We're just off to soft play now. It's very busy in town. There she is.
Down here again.
You're good on your scooter now, aren't you?
Yeah, I did fall over.
Go on then. Who is it?
Oh, you got it.
Sunny's got his light on, Sadie's really in the dark. Let's see if I can get in the light a bit. Do you have fun at the Christmas light switch on?
No, it was fireworks light.
Fireworks, it's cool, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't. I think it was really...
Right, well we're going to go home now and we're going to, well the kids have had some picnic dinner and I'm going to go home and cook me and Darren dinner and hope that both kids go to sleep like good children. So we've got a big day tomorrow, something fun going on. No, there's plenty on there, Sunny. Wow, Daddy's little helper. Oh, just don't get it on you. Sunny, who's at the door? Someone's at the door, come see. I don't know. I don't know who it is, but it's really early, so I don't know who'd be knocking on the door this early. Quick, open it then. Ugh. Who's this?
Someone's at the door. No, it's Christmas. I saw Christmas things.
What?
There, I saw. And look. See?
Oh, wow. Google it then.
Okay.
What's Sadie? Wow, you're bringing it all in?
Yeah.
Just got to pull that bit up. See what's inside.
Wait, I think that out.
It's a girl elf.
I think that Sadie goes because he's...
Girl and boy.
Yeah,
Look at his lady.
girl.
It's a little friend.
Ah,
Yeah.
breakfast picnic. you excited for elf school?
Yes. I like Bobby.
Bobby? Good morning. It's now Sunday, and as you would have already seen on the clips before, Patch and Pippi have arrived. So yeah, Sunny was very excited about that. And he also bought us tickets to go to an elf academy today, so like a little elf school. No idea what to expect. It's about half an hour away, so we need to leave soon. I think we need to leave at about 9:30. Sadie, I'm in here! Darren's going to be decorating again, so unfortunately he can't come with us, but hopefully he'll be finished so we can get our tree up next weekend, fingers crossed. Well, I think he'll still have a few bits to do next weekend. So that's what's happening today. And again, so I'm going to be on my own with 2 kids, so I'll try and film as much as I can with trying to look after 2 kids and record. It's difficult. Yeah, last night went really quickly actually. By the time I'd sorted the kids out when we got in and made dinner, and then I was getting Patch and Pippi ready for the morning, and then what else? I don't know, it just flew by, so yeah. Anyway, we got to get ready to go and leave soon. Sunny is an elf!
Okay, right. What is everyone's name? What's your name? All the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh.
And in the sky and give it another shake so that you can mix it all together, or you can use your spoon if you want and give it a good stir. Make sure it's all mixed in. That's looking great. That's looking so tasty.
Out on our elf hunt. We've got to find all the elves, haven't we?
There's Elf.
There he is.
Get to the next one.
Go to the next one. What are they doing? They're having a little movie night in their house. There's Fire Engine. Good boy. Yeah. With the blood. Go. Ow! Ow! I got hat hair now. That was fun, wasn't it, Sunny? We went to Elf Academy, we went on an elf hunt, we wrote Santa a letter. It wasn't very good for Sadie. No, you're still a bit little, wasn't you? She's very tired. We're going to have our picnic in the car, then drive home. Well, we're going to go to town and get Sunny's new school shoes, get a couple of other bits, and then we'll see what my sister's up to because it's her birthday tomorrow.
It's my birthday.
No, it's not. How old are you, Elf? Are you 1,000,000 years old?
Yeah.
The elves came with us. We gained an elf. A silly one. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. As you can tell, it's a lot later on now. Yeah, so we went to town, which was boring, you don't want to see that, and then we popped to my sister's with her birthday present, and then we went to my mother-in-law's for dinner. Sunny's now fallen asleep, and at the elf hunt he planted a little candy cane seed, so his candy cane will be growing tonight, so I'll show you a little clip of that. And then tomorrow's Monday, back to school and work, so that's our weekend. I'll see you all next weekend. Bye.